So everyone else that is here is asleep. So I have to be really quiet. But I was so I'm trying really hard to be quiet because I don't want to wake anyone up. And I'm not even sure if you can really hear me, but I don't know what's making me so sneezy because I've hardly been outside today, but I guess I was cleaning earlier, so maybe there was some dust in the air or something. I'm also kind of trying not to sneeze because the less I sneeze, the the quieter it'll be. And I'm kind of that one did not work. Oh gosh, they're getting worse. But I'm also kind of trying to stifle them because I got a request to stifle, but I'm not very